Hi, today we'll be discussing about what is a good investment. In case we have certain amount of excess money or in case we have money, what should we go for? Is it the residential property or is it the commercial property? The answer would be quite simple. In case it's a first buy, obviously it's a age old idea, it's a age old advice that people should go for residential. घर का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है because the house is invaluable asset, invaluable because it gives you mental peace, and whenever there is a mental peace it cannot be valued, it is invaluable. Plus it gives a sense of security to the family. Sense of security in itself is something which cannot be bought, which cannot be actually put a value to. The dilemma of residential to commercial actually comes when it's a second buy. When you already have a house, then you think, is it the residential or is it the commercial that I should go for? The answer actually lies in the fact what is the personality of the person who's investing. So there are certain people who invest for a long term, who have a long term objective in mind. जैसे कहते हैं वो ज़्यादा दूर की देखते हैं. And there are people who want instant or immediate gain. They do not have that long perspective, but they are looking for a medium term kind of frame. So for people who are looking at long term investment, they generally go for plots. Plots we have seen probably 100 rupee invested at this point in time would give you 200 rupees in 6, 7, 8, 9 years depending upon how the market is. But in the interim 6, 7, 8 years, you do not get anything. Rather, you end up paying the maintenance fee or the house tax on the same property. But people who go for a medium term, they for the same 100 rupee, they probably would invest in a pre-rented commercial asset or in a commercial property. So the same 100 rupee would be giving them some return in the interim period, in these probably 5%, 6%, 7%. So there is something coming every year, there is something coming every month. So this actually doubt or this discussion whether one should have a medium or a long term is actually dependent upon the fact what is the kind of personality the person has or what is the mindset. Ideally, probably I think both of them are right, and we should diversify our investment with the medium and the long term objective. And personally speaking, in case my personal view is that once घर बन गया, we have the property, we have the mental peace of mind, the money is excess. Probably, if as per me, it's a good idea to go for a pre-rented asset. You go for a pre-rented asset, you are getting money on the excess money which you already have. So accordingly, you have the money, excess money, plus you have the rented, and you can invest. You can actually get some money out of it and put a certain amount towards charity. So this is a good way to actually serve yourself also and serve the world. That's my view about residential versus commercial.